Hi guys, this is a girls and I'm back again with another video. Guys, can you see this beautiful wig? Guess what? It's an old wig. It's an old wig, guys. Ikatele. I'm telling you, it's just an old wig. Can you see? Can you see it, guys? Do you understand what I say when I say it's an old wig? Nayibona nje ikhathele. So yeah, I was like, Zama, do something. And I was like, let me just do something to this week because I wanted to go outside. So I was like, let me just style it. Ne? So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy and like my video. And to all those who are new, guys, welcome to the family. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to leave a comment. If you can't type anything, guys, just leave a heart for me. That heart means a lot to me, guys. I would really appreciate it. And to all those my returning subscribers, my day one guys, yo, I'm so grateful. The love that I have for you guys too much. I'm so grateful because without you guys, I don't know what see kube nguphi. So yeah, that's my wax stick. I'm using wax stick, ne? Yeah. Back to what I was saying. Um, guess what, guys? We are on 570 something subscribers. We are growing, guys. We are growing. The family is growing, guys. Yeah. Yo, I'm so excited, guys. Very excited. Yo, so yeah, let me not talk too much, guys, and let's get to the video. I hope you like it, guys. Please don't forget again to leave a comment. If you can type anything, just leave a heart for me. And don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please just press that subscription button. Ne? Thank you very much in advance. So yeah, let's get to the video, guys. Love you. Yeah, and this one is my Tony and Guy tone. That's my favorite tone in my collection. I like it so much. It's very hot. You won't regret having or buying it. You can find it will take a lot because I bought mine take a lot. Ne? So yeah, you won't go wrong. You won't go wrong when you buy that one. It's very hot. So yeah, this one is my silicone. So I just applied small amount of silicone so that I'll soften up my hair. As I said before, it's an old wig, guys. You can't tell a wig. old wig. So yeah. So as you can see, this tone, guys, is very hot, and I'm happy because I managed to get and I managed to do what I wanted to do, even though I was not using the spiral tongue. Because you know it's not easy to do spirals with this kind of a tongue, but anyway, it did the work. It was a job well done. I loved my spirals. I loved my outcome of the hairstyle. So yeah, as I say, it won't go wrong with this tongue, guys. It's called Tony and Guy. Tony and Guy. It's a nice brand. Very nice brand. You won't go wrong. So just take a look, guys. Continue watching, and you can see ne with ear shiner. You see my spiral is shining. It's because of that silicone that I applied, the silicone that I showed you. That's me here with my waist trainer, guys, with my waist trainer belt, minding my own business, drinking my water. So yeah, guys, don't be confused. What's happening with the belt? That's what I do, guys. When I'm at home, I like wearing my waist trainer, or I put on this belt. I'm used to it. That's what I do. That's what I do. So yeah, don't be confused and say good. So yeah, see, guys, the outcome. Naibon naibone outcome. The spirals are like perfect, but there were few, so I decided to go to, no man, these spirals are few. Then I was like, no, let me think. I was like, Sama, think girl, these spirals are few. Think for a second option or something to do. Then I was like, okay, let me just separate them like this to create more curls, yeah, and it came out nicely, guys. It was a good idea. It was a good one. So I did the same process everywhere. Like I was just splitting them apart like this to create more volume, to create more curls, because as you can see there were few. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah, hey, now I talk too much. Let me leave you guys and watch this video. And that's my go-to styling gel, the one that I use when I'm installing the frontals and doing those baby hair. So I used it here on this wig because I wanted to look nicer and more beautiful because it's an old wig, guys, don't forget it's an old wig, but I tried my best. I really tried my best and I love the outcome. I was happy with the outcome. So let's get to the video again. That's the final look, guys. That's the final look. How do I look? Please say something in the comment section. Just rate this style, just rate this wig a 10 out of 10. Please guys, say something. Just comment something. How did I do it? Did I do it right? It was better? It was good? Just rate this hairstyle for me, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.